Hello everyone, welcome to DSS online classes. Today we will be discuss the NCERT class 8th history chapter 6 colonialism and the city. In this video we will be discussed our next topic, and that is the making of New Delhi. The making of New Delhi. Now let us see the making of New Delhi. It was around 1803. The British versus Maratha war happened till the time that Delhi was the control of Marathas. What is the Britishers defeated the Marathas? The dream of the Marathas to control the entire kingdom from Delhi ended up there. So the Britishers making the real masters of controlling the Delhi, and now Mughal emperors residents through the Britishers defeated the Marathas. They don't want to make Delhi was their capital because they have their capital already in Calcutta region. They want to meet in Calcutta only as their capital, and they have given the chance for the Mughal emperor to stay in the Mughal complex till 1911. Still they was demolished from there and dismantled from there. So the demolishing passed. The Delhi was quietly divided between the black areas and the white areas. The black areas are the area which are very dusty. The most of the Indians are stay here. When it comes it white the white areas, the wealthy Indians, Britishers used to stay here, who want to tune the Urdu festivals and the Persian culture, and they started to enjoy the local festival. Even the Britishers, the establishment of Delhi College in 1792 made chance for the development of sciences and humanities, and period from 1830 to 1857 is considered as the Delhi Renaissance. Why it is known as Delhi Renaissance period? What is Renaissance? Renaissance is nothing but when there is a great creativity of art and activity going on, then we considered the period as great Renaissance period. So in Delhi 1830 to 1857 there had been a great changes for art and creativity. So most of the historians call this period Delhi Renaissance period. So now 1857, when Bahadur Shah Zafar took of the leadership of the revolt and blessed the rebellion, soldiers initiated all the other Indian kingdoms to fight against the Britishers, and Britishers were completely crushed away in many parts like Meerut, Delhi, Bengal and many other regions. So the Britishers want to regain back their control, and they started to occupy by getting reinforcement from the English people using the modern technique, and they started to kill Indian soldiers, and they established the control their lost regions again. So they wanted to regain back the kingdom again. So गालिब, द फेमस पोएट, गालिब का नाम आप लोगों ने सुना होगा. गालिब जिन्होंने कहा उन्होंने जो डिस्क्राइब किया कि उस समय दिल्ली की जो हालत थी, उसका डिस्क्रिप्शन था, उन्होंने अपनी पोइट्री में लिखा था दैट हाउ डिड द ब्रिटिशर्स अटैक द पीपल ऑफ दिल्ली. दे ऑल लाइक द एंग्री लॉयन हु अटैक्ड and killed the helpless, ruined the destroy them, out of city of throw the walls from their soldiers to leave them. Here the dismantle of court, they closed the garden, they built the barracks for the troops to stay there. So this was the situation from 1833 to 1859. The Delhi which has witnessed the great emperor residence here, the construction of Shahjahanabad or Shahjahan, we are getting up, rising up a great fort Lal Killa, where Lal Killa built up a red sandstone. ये लास्ट वीडियो में आपने पढ़ा, अभी मैंने बताया था आपको कि लाल किला को रेड सैंडस्टोन से बनाया गया था. ऑन द लेड द सिटी वॉज डिवाइडेड बाई इंडियन इटसेल्फ, ब्लैक एंड वाइट एरियाज. The Britishers also started to stay the wealthy Indians in the white areas which are dustful. Time passed on the establishment in Delhi College in 1792. It has given the boom from the Urdu language, spread the art activity, science, literature, humanities started to spread, and this is the time where 1830 to 1857. But British want to destroy the past of Delhi. What is the past of Delhi? The great Mughal ruler The people should forget this. The British want to make to think only about, they want to forget about Delhi. They want to change the history about Delhi. It is possible, yes. So, for that reason, because the British realized that the symbolic importance and historical importance of Delhi, so they want to celebrate the British power with the pomp and show. Pomp and show की word meaning मैंने आपको बताई थी. Here in Delhi, and it get connected the large number of Indians. They want to give a clear message to all Indians that yes, now the Delhi is controlled by the Britishers. So India is controlled by the Britishers, none other than Queen Victoria from 1877. She became the Emperor of India, and King George V became the Emperor of India from 1911. So after King George V become the Emperor of India, they want to have a new city called a New Delhi, which has to built in 10 square miles on the hills of Raisina Hills. All the Raisina Hills, these Raisina Hills, in these hills we were having two expert architects, and they are the Edward Lytton and Herbert Bakers. इनका नाम आपने अपनी बुक में पढ़ा है. तो ये दो जो है आर्किटेक्ट्स को बुलाया गया था, और ये बहुत एक्सपर्ट आर्किटेक्ट्स माने जाते थे. They decided called on to discuss about the city. They planned a city were there along King's Way before they reached the Viceroy's palace. These King's Way is just look like Rajput Palace, and both sides of the Viceroy Palace, King's Way, in which we will have the secretarial buildings, and this was against the Shahjahanabad. They want to build a city which is completely contrast to the Shahjahanabad. We have taken the architectural style from the classical Greece period, and that is 5th century BC. लगभग 5वीं शताब्दी के आसपास की जो ग्रीस का जो क्लासिकल आर्किटेक्चर था. एंड द वॉयसरॉय पैलेस वॉज टेकन फ्रॉम द बुद्धिस्ट स्तूपाज आर्किटेक्चर, और कुछ मुग़ल आर्किटेक्चर का हिस्सा जो है इनको मिक्स करके इन्होंने न्यू दिल्ली क्रिएट करना शुरू किया. सो लाइक दिस ultimately they want to show their greatness. They want to build everything taller than what they built. They want to build everything taller than Jama Masjid, which is the tallest in that time. They want to break that record, set a new benchmark, create a new trend, create a new creation. So all these things were initiated. Do you think how many years they have to build this one? Yes, it was nearly 20 years. They took for build the entire city. They want to build the city which was complete in contrast with the Shahjahanabad. They want to build the city which a wide gap with a straight light running across and divide each others. जैसे कि आप लोग पिक्चर्स में देख रहे हैं, divide each others. They want to the best water supply and then the old city. They want the best sewage system, which is perfect drainage system. They want everything much better than the old city. It took nearly 20 years to build the new brand city, and finally they succeeded in building a new capital. Now new capital city come into existence, come into Delhi. So now we have largest city, which is New Delhi, which has built newly. So students, hope you all are understand these topics. The remaining topics we will cover in the next video. Thank you.